Minasan, konnichiwa. Today I'll be teaching you how to compare 3 or more things. How do we compare 3 or more things? We use ichiban, which literally means number 1 in Japanese, to say the most when we compare 3 or more things. Okay, so let's look at this. Yakyū ga ichiban tsumaranai sports da yo. So the dayo just means, if you put that at the end of a sentence to imply that the person kind of understands what you're saying. So yakyū ga ichiban, number 1, tsumaranai, which means boring. So it's the number 1 boring sport. But that doesn't sound too grammatically correct. So we want to say baseball is the most boring sport. Yakyū ga ichiban tsumaranai sports da yo. Alright, next. アラビア語が一番便利な言語だと思います。I think Arabic is the most convenient language. So アラビア語が一番。The most. So Arabic is the most useful language, I think. Okay. We can also say no nakade to say out of or between when we're talking about 3 or more things. Let's look at an example. 日本語と中国語と韓国語の中でどれが一番便利ですか? So between Japanese, Chinese, and Korean, which is the most convenient? So we see the particle to and. But in this case it means it's kind of listing them. So 日本語と中国語と韓国語の中で. So の中で is referring to out of these 3. So literally, the middle of these 3, which one is the most convenient? Alright, and the next one, スイカとイチゴとサクランボの中でどれが一番高いですか? So between watermelon, strawberries, and cherries, which is the most expensive? So just as before, スイカ, watermelon, とイチゴ, which is strawberry, とサクランボno nakade. So in the middle of all of these 3, which is the most expensive? Ichiban takai, ichiban benri. The most expensive, the most convenient, the number 1. Alright, good. So now that we have that, let's try to work on some examples here. So let's look at this little scale that I have here. It looks like this little guy likes sushi a lot. He likes tempura so, and it doesn't look like he likes onigiri too much to me. So let's compare. So nani to nani to nani no naka de dore ga ichiban nani desu ka? Okay, so in between what are we talking about? Sushi, right? Sushi to tempura to onigiri no naka de dore ga ichiban nani desu ka? It seems that it's more of an opinion of how he thinks of it by the looks. So he probably is asking, which one do you think is the most likable? Suki. Dore ga ichiban suki desu ka? Which one do you like the most? Which one is your number 1 liking? Alright, so let's answer that question. So it's pretty apparent that sushi is the most liked food for this guy out of the 3. And before we get to that, what's missing here? どれが something 好きですか? 一番, that's correct. Okay, so 一番好きですか? Which is the most liked? So, that'd be sushi. Sushi が一番好きです. Alright, and that is all I have for you today. ありがとう.